Welcome back to another video from Insectix Android Application Penetration Testing course. In the previous video we have seen how to set up GDB server on your remote device which is running on your system. Now in this video let's see how to cross compile your programs to run on your Android device. So let's first go ahead and create a simple directory called format, because in the next video we are going to see format string vulnerability. So that's the reason why I have given this module name as format. So in your ndks root directory, which is this, you just create a folder called format. Inside this folder, create another folder with the name JNI. Right, so after creating this folder, get into this directory and create a new file, format.c. So if you are from if you are aware of vulnerabilities like format string vulnerabilities, you should already get to know what I'm going to show in the next video. Just in case if you're not aware of what format string vulnerabilities are, you just wait for a while, we'll see it in the next video. Right, so now what we are going to do is we are going to compile this particular program to run it on Android device. Okay, so first write this program in this folder as explained, and then create a new file called android.mk and just give this particular entry into this particular file. Format is my module name and format.c is the name of my C file which you have seen just now. This is format.c. So we have just given it that, and we are asking ndk to build an executable. Okay, so that's fantastic. Now what we can do is go ahead and open up your ndk and give this command ndk-build -help. If you now have a look at this help, the third option is -c directory. What it says is change to this particular directory before doing anything on this command. So let's specify this -c option and ask it to change to this particular format directory, because that is where we have placed everything that is related to our application. So what we are actually doing here is we are using ndk build to actually build an executable for our format.c file. So it will do everything automatically for you. Hit enter. If you see this, it is actually giving you an error. It says, hey, -w error format security. So this particular application is having some security issue called format string vulnerability. Your ndk build is automatically detecting it and it is not compiling it for you. So what we can do is, in this particular case, we can simply go to pre-built, sorry, not pre-built, yeah, go to this pre-built, not pre-built, yeah, build core, and then default build commands.mk. Just open it with your text editor, and if you see this line, this flag is used to provide compiler protection against format string vulnerabilities. So they are actually using this particular flag to protect your applications from format string vulnerabilities. So we need to disable this by commenting it out. Save this file and just go back and now clear the screen so that it will be visible. Now run the same command, and now if you see this, it has actually created an executable called format, and you can actually go ahead and install it from this particular libs arm-ebi and format. So this is the actual file that you have. Now we need to push this file onto this particular remote device, I mean your emulator, and you can run this. So to do that, cd format ls cd format and then libs arm-ebi, give a quick ls. As you can see, you have format as a file there. You need to push it onto the device. So generally the writable directory on your device usually is data local. So we're going to push this particular file onto data local tmp. Hit enter. As you can see, I have uploaded this file onto my device. Now if you just go to this cd data local temp, just give a quick ls. As you can see, I have a file called format. We are not interested in this lib format file. You can remove it. As you can see, now we have format. Now let us go ahead and see how to execute this file. As you can see here, format.c is the file. It is actually taking argv1 as an argument, and it is printing it, copying it onto buffer and printing it over there. So what we can do is run this format, and let's give something like AAAA, and obviously we should be able to see this in the output. Fantastic. This is how we can actually compile your applications to run on your Android devices. And as you can see, I'm running this and I'm providing the input AAA and getting the output as expected, right? So this is how you can actually cross compile your applications to run on your Android devices. In the next video, we are going to see how this particular application can be exploited on your Android device, right? So that's all I have in mind for this video. Thanks for watching it. Thanks a lot.